Dear students, today we plan to discuss corpus and its usage in language learning. First of all, what is corpus? Corpus is the collection of digitized text. Basically, this is a collection of large text. Trillions of words have been included in that corpus. There are different types of corpora. Corpora is the plural of the corpus. There are different types of corpora, and I'll discuss them in detail in next slides. For example, one is British National Corpus. And on the right side, you are looking at the book English Corpus Linguistics. This is the basic introductory book, and you should get benefit from it. On the left side, you are looking a very inspirational and visionary picture. Over there is a human brain, and different people climb the ladder, and they are waiting in the queue, and they want to go inside the brain. So corpus is a collection of different brains. Different linguistic varieties have been compiled at one place. Usually, those who want to learn language but they don't have exposure to native language, they face difficulties. Whatever the teacher knows, that has been declared as the total sum of knowledge of that language. But now Corpus has challenged this notion and refuted this notion that now anybody can access a corpus and can learn corpus in a playing mode. Corpus and language learning. Here is another Cambridge book, From Corpus to Classroom. It teaches us how to use corpus in the language classroom. Learn the actual use of language by native speakers and writers. Nobody can claim that the person has read each and every linguistic variety of that language. So, if we have trillions of words in a corpus and we can explore different usages of that language. Nowadays, books are being prepared on the basis of corpora, and old dictionaries are prepared on the basis of corpora. Find collocation patterns like pay homage or hot coffee. Find adjectives and other grammatical usages. You can find adjectives. You can find different parts of speech. For example, the word fast. Fast is adjective. Fast is an adverb. Fast is a verb. So verb, adjective, adverb. What's the difference between these three things? So you can differentiate their difference with the help of corpus, because you will find countless examples. Observe different semantic shades. Words change with the passage of time, and you can explore a corpus and find out one particular meaning in one corpus. If you go to another corpus, for example, one corpus is of cricket documentaries, one corpus is hotel management, and one corpus is of fast food. So there can be certain dictionaries can be generated with the help of those corpora. And a register. Register means certain meaning in one variety of language. So different semantic shades in different domains of knowledge and professions can be studied. In International community, they give access of the corpus to the learners, and learners start playing with those corpora, and in this way they learn according to their own interest, and they explore linguistic items by themselves, explore original language of natives. For example, if you want to appear in IELTS exam, you can consult BNC, British National Corpus. If you want to appear in TOEFL, uh, you should explore COCA, Corpus of Contemporary American English. So whatever you do, you can discover corpus according to your own profession or according to your own linguistic needs. I want to introduce Mark Davies. Professor Mark Davies. He is from Brigham Young University, Utah State, USA. He compiled trillions of words corpora. But he's a so humble person that he has written in his website that people say Mark Davies corpora. He says don't write in this way. You should give a citation like APA, MLA, Chicago, or Harvard, or Vancouver styles. So I found him very humble person and so much talented person. He has shared his expertise in his email and he responded to my all queries. Now we jump to different corpora. This is the link. You can just write in Google and you will find out these corpora. First, these corpora are updated on daily basis. That's why they are expanding day by day. iWeb, web-based corpus. News is based on different pieces of news around the globe. Global web-based English. So that English which is used in the websites. So those who are writing blogs, they can get benefit from this corpus. Wikipedia corpus. Corpus of Contemporary American English. This is very famous. Coronavirus corpus. This was the new variety which has been started after the advent of corpus. Corpus of Historical American English. The TV corpus, the movie corpus. Corpus of American soap operas. Suppose if a person is writing stories in which emotions and feelings have been delineated, so that person can benefit from the movie corpus. If you look at their words, 14 billion, 11.1 billions, 1.9 billion, 1 billion. So this image has been taken 1 year back. So he's updating all these corpora on daily basis, so their size must have expanded. Some other corpora, Hansard corpus, early English books online, corpus of United States Supreme Court opinions, Time magazine corpus, British National corpus, Strathclyde corpus Canada if you want to learn Canadian English variety, or you want to compare American, British and Canadian variety, you can use this corpus. Core corpus, Google Books Ngram, and American English, British English. So my student just asked me to give us a few words for learning English. I said you are demanding just a few words. I want to give you trillions of words. So trillions of words corpora have been given to you so that you can explore them. Just register yourself. Then they send you an email. Go to your email, open it, activate, and again come back and log in it. Now you can access all these corpora to some limited frequency. Suppose you can consult them more than 15 times, but you cannot consult more than 100 times. Okay. A Coca Corpus of Contemporary American English. I have again shared its link. British National Corpus because language learners come across these two corpora frequently. Corpus of coronavirus. There is a great room that you can work on coronavirus. You can find different linguistic items. If you want to write some essay on coronavirus, you can get benefit from this corpus. TV corpus and movie corpus, they express feelings, emotions. I just want to show you the word selfie, which is very common. Okay, and I took the TV corpus, and it shows in this manner. Okay, it here it shows the frequency. Here serial number. Here it shows the year that this information was present in 2017-16. So next is US and Canada, and this is the reference that from where it has been taken, and this is the example. And no selfie time, mom selfie, doing it big, my selfie, two figures, take a selfie. Now you are learning a collocation, take a selfie. This is how am I supposed to tweet this epic selfie? So you can learn adjective epic selfie can be used. You had fucking jack of selfie on my grandmother's grave. Smurfy smile time, selfie time. So selfie time word is so common. Okay, it's a selfie stick. Okay, your selfie. Can I get a selfie? Now you learn another collocation. Take a selfie and get a selfie. There would be more than 100 examples, but you will just take 10 examples, and I think you would be able to understand semantic differences and collocation patterns and meanings. So this is the main purpose. If you still feel any difficulty, please contact with me. I'm here to assist you. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you so much.